Hey YouTube, got an easy video today for you. This is on a 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee. We've got these gas shocks that hold your hood up. Mine needed replaced. Over time they just became leaky and they didn't hold the hood up anymore. This is actually really easy, but in case you have any questions, how to do it. Get a screwdriver and just pop the metal ring off the top. You'll have to do the same to the bottom. Comes out very easily. Use a flathead screwdriver for this. You'll see this metal ring at the end. When you get the tip of the screwdriver wedged underneath it and pull up, it will release the tension. It just pops right off. Now we'll get our new gas shock. Attach the bottom piece first. It snaps right in. Then you do the top piece. If you do the top piece first, you're going to find that it is very difficult, or maybe even impossible, to then get the bottom piece to fit. Always go bottom to top. Move over to the other side, and we'll do the exact same thing. Like I said, this is really easy to do, but in case you had any questions, or you're really new to working on your own vehicle, and you just wanted to look this up before you attempted to do it, this is how to do it. Very easy to do, took me all of 5 minutes.